G, N, and C, not your daily vitamins, but probably the most critical three letters in the history of spaceflight: guidance, navigation, and control. Without these three words, Neil Armstrong and the Apollo 11 crew would never have made it to the moon. The job of designing the guidance system to take man to the moon was awarded to Draper, formerly the MIT Instrumentation Lab. This was the very first Apollo contract. The good news came via telegraph. Under the leadership of Charles Stark Draper, the lab played a leading role in perfecting inertial guidance systems. This computer had to be able to withstand the rigors of spaceflight, including extreme temperatures and intense vibrations. It had to be perfect because human lives were at stake.
Okay, that's open.